Hey everyone! Welcome to our English conversation practice series. I'm so excited to be here with you today for Learn Gym Talk with a fun workout right here at the gym. Whether you're a fitness fan, curious about working out, or just want to improve your English, this video is perfect for you. We're going to dive into real-life English conversations you'd hear in a gym. You'll learn practical vocabulary about exercise, fitness, and health, and I'll share tips to help you stay active and feel great. By the end, you'll feel more confident speaking English and maybe even inspired to try a workout or two. Let's start by taking a quick tour of the gym. Right now, we're standing in the cardio zone. This area has treadmills, which are machines for running or walking, and stationary bikes for cycling. Over there is the free weights area, where you'll find dumbbells. Those are small weights you hold in each hand, and barbells, which are long bars with weights on both ends. Next to that, we have strength machines like the leg press or chest press, which are awesome for building muscle. And in the corner, there's a stretching area with mats, perfect for warming up or cooling down after a workout. Let's learn some key words. A treadmill is for running, dumbbells are for lifting, and a squat rack is a metal frame used for heavy exercises like squats. Say these with me: treadmill, dumbbells, squat rack. Great job! Gyms are such lively places. You hear weights clanging, music pumping through the speakers, and people chatting about their workouts or fitness goals. I remember my first time at a gym. I was so nervous. I didn't know how to use the step, and I thought everyone was watching me. But I quickly learned that most people are focused on their own workouts, and the staff were super helpful. Have you ever felt nervous trying something new, like going to a gym or even speaking English in public? It's totally normal, and the more you practice, the easier it gets. In this video, I'm going to do a full body workout, which means exercising all parts of my body. I'll start with cardio to get my heart pumping, then do strength training to build muscle, and finish with stretching to stay flexible and relaxed. My fitness goal is to stay healthy, get stronger, and have more energy for my busy days. For example, I'm working on lifting heavier weights and eventually running a 5K race. What's your fitness goal? Maybe you want to do more push-ups, feel stronger, walk longer distances, or just move more every day. Keep that goal in mind as we go through this workout together. Alright, let's kick things off with our warm-up and cardio. Now that we're in the gym, let's get our bodies ready with a warm-up. Warming up is super important because it prepares your muscles and prevents injuries. Let's do 2 simple stretches to start. First, arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides and make small circles, like this, for 15 seconds. Now, reverse the direction for another 15 seconds. Feels good, doesn't it? Next, let's do a side stretch. Reach one arm up and lean to the side, stretching the side of your body. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch to the other side. These stretches wake up your muscles and get you ready to move. Do you warm up before exercising? Maybe you do stretches like these or something different. Think about what you like to do. Let's move on to cardio. I'm stepping onto a treadmill to start with a brisk walk. Cardio is any exercise that gets your heart beating faster, and it's great for your heart, lungs, and energy levels. There are so many types of cardio: jogging, which is running at a steady pace, cycling, which is riding a stationary bike, rowing, using a rowing machine, and HIIT, or high-intensity interval training. HIIT is when you do short bursts of intense exercise, like sprinting for 30 seconds, then walking for a minute, and repeating. I love HIIT because it's quick and makes me feel strong. Let's learn some vocab. A treadmill is a machine for running or walking, cycling is riding a bike, and rowing is like rowing a boat. Say these with me: treadmill, cycling, rowing. Awesome. My cardio routine is usually 10 to 15 minutes. For example, I walk for 5 minutes to warm up, jog for 5 minutes to push myself, and then walk again to cool down. It gets my blood flowing and puts me in a great mood. Do you prefer running, cycling, or maybe something fun like dancing, swimming, or even jump rope? There's no wrong choice. Any cardio is good for you. Sometimes I don't feel motivated to exercise. Maybe I had a long day or it's cold outside. But I've got a trick. I tell myself, just 10 minutes. Once I start, I usually keep going because it feels so good. I also listen to upbeat music or think about my fitness goals, like running a 5K race one day. What keeps you motivated to exercise? Is it music, a workout buddy, a fitness app, or a goal like getting stronger or feeling more energetic? I'd love to hear your ideas in the comments later. All right, cardio's done. Let's head to strength training next. Welcome to strength training. This is where we build muscle, get stronger, and feel more confident. Today, we'll do 4 exercises: squats for your legs and glutes, push-ups for your chest and arms, dumbbell curls for your biceps, and planks for your core. Let's start with some vocab. Glutes are your butt muscles, biceps are the muscles in your upper arms, and core is the center of your body, like your abs and lower back. Say these with me: glutes, biceps, core. Great job. First up, squats, one of the best exercises for your lower body. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees and lower your body like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your back straight and make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Good form is key to staying safe and getting results. I'll do 5 squats to show you. Now, let's do 12 squats together. Ready? 12. Awesome work. Squats make your legs and glutes strong for things like walking or climbing stairs. What lower body exercises do you like? Maybe squats, lunges, or jumping jacks. Next, let's do dumbbell curls to work our biceps. Grab a pair of light dumbbells, or if you're at home, try water bottles or just use your hands. Keep your elbows close to your body and curl the weights up toward your shoulders. I'll do 5 curls to show you. Keep it slow and controlled to feel your biceps working. Now, try 10 curls with me. Ready? 10. Nice job. Dumbbell curls make your arms stronger and look toned. Do you enjoy lifting weights? Or do you prefer bodyweight exercises like push-ups or dips? Now push-ups. These work your chest, arms, and core. If you're new, you can do them on your knees to make it easier. Keep your body in a straight line and lower your chest toward the ground. I'll do 5 push-ups to show you. Now, let's do 8 push-ups together. Ready? You're doing great. Push-ups were so hard for me when I started, but they're now one of my favorites. Last exercise, planks. Planks strengthen your core, which helps with balance and posture. Get into a push-up position, but rest on your forearms. Keep your body straight like a plank of wood. I'll hold a plank for 20 seconds to show you. Now, try holding a plank for 20 seconds with me. Ready? Go. Hold it, and done. Amazing. Strength training is all about consistency, not perfection. When I started, I could only lift 5-pound dumbbells and couldn't do a single push-up. I felt weak and almost gave up. But I kept practicing, adding a little weight or one more rep each week. Now, I lift 20-pound dumbbells and can do 15 push-ups in a row. It took months, but I'm so proud. You can do it too. Just start small and keep going. Have you ever gotten better at something by practicing, like a sport, a hobby, or even speaking English? Think about it. Time to cool down next. After a workout, we need to cool down to help our bodies relax. Cooling down slows your heart rate and prevents muscle soreness, which is when your muscles feel achy after exercise. Let's do 2 cool down stretches. First, a hamstring stretch. Sit down, extend one leg and reach for your toes. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch sides. Feel that stretch in the back of your leg. Next, a shoulder stretch. Pull one arm across your body and hold for 15 seconds, then switch sides. These stretches feel so good after a workout. Say these with me: soreness, hamstring, shoulder. Recovery is just as important as exercising. After a workout, I drink a protein shake and eat a piece of fruit, like a banana or an orange. Protein helps repair your muscles, and fruit gives you quick energy to feel refreshed. I try to eat within 30 minutes after exercising for the best recovery. Sometimes, I'll have a small meal, like chicken with rice or a yogurt with nuts, if I'm really hungry. What do you eat after a workout? Maybe a smoothie, some eggs, or a snack like an apple. To prevent injuries, never skip your warm-up or cool-down. They protect your body. Also, start with light weights and focus on good form. I once lifted too heavy without warming up and felt sore for days. Now, I always listen to my body. If something hurts, I stop and rest. Rest days are important too. I take 1 or 2 days off each week to let my muscles recover. How do you take care of your body after exercising? Maybe you stretch, eat well, or get extra sleep. Think about it. Let's wrap this up next. Wow, we had an incredible workout today. We started with warm-up stretches to get our bodies ready, did cardio on the treadmill to get our hearts pumping, worked on strength with squats, push-ups, dumbbell curls, and planks to build muscle, and finished with cool-down stretches to relax. You guys are amazing for joining me through this full-body workout. Let's review our key vocabulary: treadmill, dumbbells, squat rack, cardio, jogging, cycling, rowing, HIIT, glutes, biceps, core, soreness, recovery, consistency. These words are super useful for talking about fitness or visiting a gym. Try this sentence: I do cardio and strength training to stay healthy. Say it with me. Great job. Practice these words at home, at the gym, or with friends to make them part of your English. Now, let's practice speaking English. I'll ask 5 questions, and you can answer out loud to improve your speaking skills. Here we go. 1. What's your favorite type of exercise? Running, yoga, weightlifting, or maybe dancing? 2. Do you work out at the gym, at home, or outdoors, like in a park or on a trail? 3. What's one fitness goal you're working on? Maybe running a race, doing more push-ups, or feeling stronger. 4. How do you stay motivated to exercise? Music, a workout buddy, a fitness tracker, or a reward like a treat? 5. Have you ever tried a new exercise and loved it? What was it and why did you enjoy it? Awesome job answering. Speaking out loud is the best way to get better at English. Here's a fun challenge. This week, use 2 new words from this video in a sentence and share them in the comments below. For example, I use a treadmill for cardio. I read every comment, and I can't wait to hear about your workout routine, favorite exercise, or how you're practicing English. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell so you don't miss our next English practice. Share this with a friend who loves fitness or wants to learn English. Thanks for joining me at the gym today. Keep practicing your English, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.